Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials fast: tires, chain, fluids. Once done, turn ignition on and set the kill switch to run, pull the clutch and tap starter. You want the engine to come up cleanly, so give it a short idle at about 2,000 to 3,000 RPM for 60 to 90 seconds. Make sure the bike is stable, then find neutral or hold the clutch for first gear. This prevents stalling when you feed in the first light throttle. You now focus on coordinated clutch and throttle. Release about 1/4 to 1/2 of the clutch while gently adding throttle. This prevents jerks and stalls. Once moving, roll on and accelerate to your planned RPM range. Upshift around 6,500 to 8,000 RPM for responsive power. When slowing, downshift with a slight rev match or blip to smooth the load. Use the rear brake to steady low-speed maneuvers, and remember, countersteer subtly to initiate lean for quick lane changes. You finish by nailing corner exits and final safety checks. Brake in a straight line before the turn. Once at entry speed, ease off brakes and roll on throttle progressively to the apex. Keep your eyes through the turn and maintain about 60 to 70% throttle mid-corner to stabilize the chassis, then smoothly increase throttle to exit. If the bike stalls or hesitates, stop safely and check neutral and clutch engagement. Then confirm the fuel cutoff and spark. These quick...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.